Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is entitled "Lady Gets Woken Up by Police, Ends Badly." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On May 7th, 2024, police responded to a motel about a suspicious vehicle.
Hey! Oh, it's a girl in the back. Are you staying here?
No.
What room are you staying in? Why are you...
I'm in no room right now tonight. But y'all need to get them lights out there in my baby face.
Okay. Why are you parked here sleeping in the parking lot?
Because I usually have a room here. I don't have the money tonight for a room. I fell asleep.
Okay. Why does your car smell like weed, secondly?
I smoke.
Okay. Well, the problem is that there's no overnight parking in parking lots in the city of Mount Dora. It's a city ordinance. Okay, the second thing is that your windows are down, your car smells like weed.
Yep.
Alright. Well, no, you're going to hop out first.
What?
Because your car smells like weed.
I'm parked. I was asleep in my car.
I don't care. Your car smells like weed.
My sister was smoking in my car. She had a card.
Okay. Do you have a card?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Why y'all bothering me?
Because you're sleeping in the parking lot of a business.
I didn't even know I was here. Okay, I can move. It's no problem.
We're going to go through the car because it smells like weed, so that's what's happening.
Do me a favor and step out this way.
Going through my car. You didn't pull me.
We are.
You're not going through my car.
We are.
I'm sorry. You're not. Get out.
So it looks like somebody's going down.
My car. You do not have probable cause to go through my
You do.
car.
Your car smells like weed.
Can you get off my door?
If you close this fucking door,
Can
you're
you
going to go to
get
jail.
the fuck off my... Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch
You
me.
want to go to jail now?
Don't touch me.
Do you want to go to jail
Don't
now?
put your hands on me. Okay. You just fucking woke me up. What are you arresting me for? No, because I didn't do nothing.
Stop.
Hey, yeah.
18-12 with her. Keep
He arrested me because I didn't even do shit. All I told him was don't
Stay right here
close
for a
my
second.
fucking door.
Stay right here.
I told him
Stay right
don't
here.
close
Stay right
my
here.
door.
Ma'am, ma'am,
He
stay
told
right
me
here.
my car nasty as so fucking bad. What do y'all have her for?
Ma'am, can you stand right here? Oh, I'm sorry, it's raining. Never mind. You're right. Okay, I was just gonna have her here, but I see it's raining, so.
No, for what? What is y'all doing? What y'all have car for in the first place?
She's parked in the parking lot.
Okay.
She's not staying here.
Okay.
There's a city ordinance against sleeping in the parking lot at night.
It's plenty of people out here. What the fuck is you talking about? Y'all just ain't got nothing better to do. Every time y'all see her car, y'all do this shit. What is you arresting her for?
Just grab the lighters.
No, what is you arresting her for? No, because y'all with that bullshit and you always want to search somebody's shit. Y'all always with that bullshit. Do you got a card? Do you got a card? Do you got a card? Fuck all that. Y'all crap is weird as fuck. And it's always you putting a bitch in some fucking handcuffs for nothing.
Search the car.
Just when I was going to hear the fuck you go.
Just do me a favor and step away over there.
I'm not doing nothing.
I'm just telling you, just step away over there.
Calm your ass down, bro. For real. So who the fuck you think? Y'all be thinking them badges mean shit. They don't. They don't. The fuck? Motherfuckers be weird. Yeah, every single time y'all see this car, y'all on this car. That's what the
412
fuck that
447.
is.
Can you be 51?
Y'all knew she was sleeping in the car with the window, with everything down and everything. Them people ain't saying a motherfucking thing. Nothing. Y'all do
Where
this
it's in
shit
for,
every
like-
single time her car come in this fucking parking lot. Every fucking time. That stupid ass shit.
Is there anything on you that we need to know about?
No.
Okay. All right. Listen to me.
I'm just trying to figure out
get
why
it.
y'all got me in
Okay,
handcuffs.
okay.
I didn't even do anything wrong.
Can you let me explain something to you?
Go ahead. All I did was tell him don't touch my door.
Listen. Relax. Okay? Listen to me. You're sleeping in a parking lot, okay?
Okay, I
All right,
understand
just walk. Let me explain something to you.
I understand that.
Let me explain something to you, okay? You're sleeping in the car, right? In the parking lot. Okay? We approach the vehicles, we're looking for somebody.
Okay.
However, while we're interacting with you, we can smell the odor of marijuana.
And I told y'all we had
it,
smoked
but
marijuana.
that's fine. But that still gives us probable cause to search the car. Okay? That's the deal. The reason why you're in handcuffs right now is because you started to...
I didn't resist. All I did was...
let me talk?
Go ahead, because y'all trying to say I'm doing
listen,
something that I didn't do.
Relax. Let me explain something to you.
Okay, go ahead.
By you resisting and telling us to step
I didn't
away...
resist.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You're not complying with the lawful orders. We're telling you to step away from the car.
No.
Okay.
You told me to. Y'all told me to get out of the car.
Okay.
I did get out of the car, and I took my hand on my door.
Okay.
He went to cursing at me, telling me don't fucking something.
Don't shut the door.
Why do you have to talk to me like that, though? I didn't curse at you.
Did I do that to you?
No, I'm saying him.
But you see how calm I'm talking to you?
Right, but I'm in handcuffs, sir, so you gotta understand. I'm like agitated right now. I understand what you're saying. But he didn't have to talk to me like that. I didn't curse at him.
I'm gonna lock these ones before they keep.
Locked. This one keeps like tightening on this.
Well,
side.
that's why it's not locked. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
That's why it keeps doing that. Your attitude is what set it off. Okay.
Y'all woke me up with lights in my face.
I get it.
That's why I had
and
an
listen,
attitude, sir.
But have I give you any attitude?
No, but I didn't give you attitude at first.
I didn't say you did. Did I say you did that to me?
No, that's what I'm saying.
But you telling me? I'm telling you right now.
This is hurting my arm.
Which one is it? The one on the left?
Yes.
Okay. I'll work with you. Reason why you're in handcuffs is because you became non-compliant. Okay. We're telling you to not shut the door, and you started giving attitude to the officer, saying that you are not going to move and we couldn't touch the door, okay? We're searching the car, therefore you got to step away from the vehicle, all right? Now it's going to be ultimately up to him whether we ended up arresting you or not. Right now you're being detained. That doesn't mean you're going to jail, okay? All right, so is there anything on you that I need to know about?
I don't have nothing on you.
Okay, I normally ask because because you're gonna be searched if you end up being arrested, okay? So I'd rather you be honest with me and you tell me
I don't have anything on
rather than anything else, okay? All right,
on me.
thank you. All right, just hang tight for me, okay?
That little baggie.
Did we check the trunk yet?
Figure out how to pop it.
Oh.
How you doing?
And honestly, I realized, like, yeah, she's agitated and stuff like that, but people really need to understand the difference between being arrested and being detained. Yeah, you could be detained without being in handcuffs, but you can also be detained for safety purposes in handcuffs. You know, I know it's tough because everybody just jump out. Like, you heard the lady that was talking about, every time y'all see the car, y'all arresting her. What you arresting her for? What you arresting her for? And it's like, she's not being arrested yet. She's just being detained. If they find something in the car, then yeah, you probably gonna go to jail. You know what I'm saying? Because that little incident right there, that's not enough to get them on no resisting or anything. On it, to me, that was just some BS. So what they're really waiting on is to see if they can find something in the vehicle. And if they find something in the vehicle, yeah, you going to jail. But why are you sleeping in the car anyways? Like, I don't even understand that. And then you got a kid with you, because I think the person that was in the back was younger or whatever, maybe. But let's see, 1 o'clock in the morning. Look, it say 1:37. Y'all need to be in somebody's crib. Go to a friend house or something.
There you go. Some more bags.
That was very careful. Yeah, it's wet.
She came in very hot. And got her in handcuffs.
The one that's in the back of your car.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Listen, do you take any pills?
Yeah, they're weight gain pills.
Okay. How long you been taking them?
I just started.
Are they prescribed to you or anything?
No,
or
we order them off of eBay.
Okay. They're off of eBay? All right. That's what we're trying to figure out. All right. She's going to go to jail for the possession of marijuana and then resisting officers without violence, okay? No.
Am I being arrested?
Yes, you're being arrested for possession of marijuana and then for resisting officer without violence, okay? So, is there anything else
Can
when
I
you're
talk
there?
to my sister?
No.
I just need her to make a call. Can I talk to my...
That resisted is just some BS, man, honestly. But the marijuana charge, you know, if they found something, it's gonna stick, you know, but that resisting, that ain't, no.
sister? Or can I talk to my baby? At least can I see my daughter before y'all take me?
I can roll down the window
Thank
for you. I can do that for you. But no more attitude, okay?
I don't have an attitude.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Okay.
I'll see you in the morning. I love you.
She was charged with possession of marijuana under 20 grams as well as resisting an officer without violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. Get it, bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.